Very good evening guys, this is MJ. Welcome to Trade Scalp and Fun. In this video I am sharing my live trading in Nifty. All the trades were of scalping and based on my proprietary indicator. I have managed to generate roughly 9% ROI on a small account having capital of just 50,000. The main motto of trading in small capital is just to prove that if you have proper setup and strategies, small capital traders can also earn big. Overall, it was a very good day. As per my analysis, I was expecting sideways to bearish market. I did not go against my analysis, I stick to my rules. So all I did was finding entry for buying put options. I was looking for an opportunity to buy put option. I got one at 9:53 am when a red candle in 1 minute time frame broke my support. I entered 14,900 put option at the price of 218. The reason buying puts here was quite simple. It broke my support in 1 minute time frame, and secondly the horizontal line around 14850 was my resistance. The reason I marked 14850 as my resistance was there were 60% of call writing happening there, and the price had rejected it thrice. I did not exit here. Instead, I was waiting to add one more lot as the call writing was increasing in 14850 strike. Around 10:04, I added one more lot at the price of 207. I sold it around 225 and I exited with profits of 2250. My next trade was around 10:37 am. I was expecting the price to break my trend line, and as soon as it broke my trend line, I bought 14,900 put options at the price of 215 rupees. Around 10:40, I exited my position with 6 points of profit. Around 11:30, I entered again at 220 rupees. I sold it around 226 and exited with a profit of 6 points. The only reason for scalping was just to avoid premium erosion. Market was moving in sideways and IV was dropping. The reason behind selecting the strike of 14900 was delta. The value of delta was greater than 0.55. Always remember, if you are buying options, delta value should be greater than 0.55. Around 101, I entered put option again, and this entry was based on my sumo indicator because it showed me sell signal around 1 o'clock itself. Exited with a profit of 7 points over here. I entered at 214 and exited at 221 rupees. This was the wrong trade of the day. I entered a wrong trade and made a loss of 4 points. Around 125, I entered again at the price of 232 rupees. In this trade, I was trying to exit at the price of 247 rupees, but due to some technical glitch, I was not able to exit at 247, because of which I made only 10 points and exited at 242. By the end of the day, with a capital of just 50,000, I was able to make 4,848 rupees. So if we calculate the ROI, it comes somewhere around, let me just calculate, 4848.75 divided by 50,000 into 100 is 9.6 percentage. So I made 9.6 percentage in a single day with just a capital of 50,000. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Bye bye.